the gardens is the
protection again. Absolutely.
it's something that, as I said, it's so simple, but the amount of people, they are.
Yep, okay, that's working. Another 3 minutes. We're going to start in 3 minutes' time. If you know anyone who wanted to hear some guns, go get them now. Do we want to hear some noise? How do we want to hear the noise happen? Guns! Right, we are the Company of St Barbara. We represent the 15th century gunnery group. The guns we're going to be showing you today range from around the early 1400s right the way through to Mary Rose type of period, so into the mid 1500s. So we will be using gunpowder today. Gunpowder makes some noise when it's contained. Place them in front of your ears like so. Everyone try this now. And open your mouth. It is really very important that you do not stick your fingers in your ears. Ah, I love the smell of sulphur. So that's a small piece. Can we make a better gun? How are we going to make a better gun? Bigger? Do we want to go bigger? Of course we're going to go bigger, because what we've got is that floury mill powder. And to get as much as we can in the barrel, we need a bigger barrel. Excuse me while Winkle, this is Thor. Are we ready for some noise? I can't hear you. Are we ready for some noise? Have I care? I did ask if you were ready for some noise. Can we make a better gun? How are we going to make a better gun? Make it bigger! Bigger than that? Yeah, why not? Shall we make a bigger one? I would like to introduce you, big manly names, remember, Sylvester! Sylvester is a hand cannon, not a pole gun. Why do we think it's a hand cannon? Because it's much bigger. In your own time, gunners, go on. Can we do better than that? How do we make it better? Bigger again? No. What we need to do first is improve the gunpowder. So, we wound up the noise just a little bit more. So what they've had to do is they've each fired their guns, and that never happens that they both go off at the same time. We was expecting at least a 10-second delay before Peggy's crew got themselves sorted. They fired the guns. They now have to reload them, but the guns are now hot, so they've got burning embers inside. So what they do is they have a wet swab. They take their wet swab and they poke it down the gun and they swivel it around. They swivel it around, keep cheering, keep cheering. And they clear out all of the nasty burning stuff. Once they've cleared out all of the burning stuff, the problem is they've got a wet barrel. Because they've got a wet barrel, they can't load the gun, because gunpowder doesn't like being wet, so they need to dry the barrel.
Isabel's third one. So
they get a dry swab. That goes down the barrel, they swivel it all about, they pull that out, and then the gun, whoever's commanding the gun commander, will check down the barrel to make sure there's nothing burning still down there, and they'll start reloading. To load these guns, I like with a pole gun where we can hold it upright, or a handgun where we can hold it upright for them. We have to put the powder in a scoop. Powder goes in the scoop goes down the barrel, we tip the scoop over, we pull the scoop out. That puts the powder down the end. We then wad it, we put in our projectile, we prime it, and we get ready to stop the clock for Isabel, please. Raise hands, cheers for Peggy, come on Peggy! Get ready to stop the clock, Peggy! Let's have a big round of applause for our courage gunners! Now, who was counting for Peggy? Okay. Can we make the guns better? What's better than a single gun on a carriage? 3 guns on a carriage! Hole at the back. Well, we have to have a breech plug. In this case, it's a tankard that we can have preloaded with powder before we even get to the battlefield. Which of course there is with the muzzle loaders, because you've got an open box of powder and you're trying to get the powder out and there's sparks flying around. People are shooting at you, people are shooting arrows at you, people are trying to hit you with big sharp spiky sticks. So I think we've all seen the people with big sharp spiky sticks today. Very nasty people, we don't like them. We'll just load all 3 barrels. Would that be a fair comparison? I'm looking at the gunners to make sure they haven't loaded all 3. No, okay, fair enough. We're going to do 1 barrel. Are you ready for some noise? Are you ready for some noise? So we've had our first shot. All we have to do now is pull the used tankard out the back. That's 15 seconds, they've already got 2 shots off. They pull the tankard out the back, they put in another projectile, they put in another tankard, they pin it in place, they prime it. That's 3, that's got to be less than 30
like in modern military jacket.
22 seconds left. How many was that?
Yeah, totally.
Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,